Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure or HTTPS here on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Wix, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Getting HTTPS, which is a secure connection on your Wix website, is very essential for improving security, boosting your SEO ranking, and building trust with your visitors. Because Wix provides SSL, which is going to be called Secure Sockets Layer, certificates for free to secure your site with HTTPS. Now, for you to enable HTTPS on your website, I want you to hover to the upper left corner and click on Go to Dashboard. Now here, all you have to do is click on Sites. Now on the side section, click on Settings and you need to hover to where it says Customs or Domains. As you can see, my site has already the HTTPS. I have it enabled. You see that? That means my site is secure. But if you're the one that has having problem on the HTTPS, all you have to do is go to the billing and subscriptions, click on Domains, and you might want to get a new domain that has a secured HTTPS. You can buy a new domain or you can connect a domain you already own. For example, in this one right here, let's type in press enter. What will happen is you would be given suggested websites with a secure HTTPS. For example, this, if you click that, it would give you this option. Of course, all you have to do is choose the kind of plan that you wanted. For example, is it going to be 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years? Just click on continue and just follow the on-screen instructions. Of course, you're going to get the HTTPS in no time. Otherwise, you can simply click the contact 24/7 support here in Wix. And if you get a hold of one of the customer support staff, tell them you are having problems getting your HTTPS on Wix. And of course, one of the support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to get them. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.